Hello and welcome back to Gapeys Garden. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a giveaway. I've got a live stream coming up on Wednesday night and I thought I would give away one of my 2021 calendars. So I wanted to show you some of the pictures. These were taken in the garden the last couple of years. So in January here we've got the Violet de Provence artichoke, and this artichoke is, for me, it was kind of more ornamental. The artichokes were really small and I did eat some of them, but they were kind of a pain. So I don't know if I'll be growing that one again. I'll probably pull it out, but it was very pretty. And then for February, we've got white currants. This was taken last season and I've been getting quite a bit of white currants off of, we've just got 2 bushes. We've also got red currants as well, but the white seems to be a lot more productive. And then for March, this was a harvest from last year, quite a few different peppers, and we got some yellow zucchini, which is kind of unique, but that was one of my favorite harvests from last year. And then we've got some Thai chili peppers. This was taken in 2019. I grew 3 different Thai chili varieties, a couple of white Thais, and one called Thai Fire Fingers that was really good. And then for May, this was also in 2019. This is one of my favorite yellow harvests. We have my favorite cherry tomato, which is the Berry's Crazy Cherry. Super prolific, super sweet, highly recommended if you've never grown that one. And then we've also got some lemon cucumbers, a lemon drop pepper, and then I believe this one was a Ahi Fantasy pepper. And then for June, this was also in 2019. This is just a collection of Scotch bonnets. I grew several different varieties that year of Scotch bonnets. This was kind of a late season harvest, so a lot of them were still green. And then in July we've got, this was from last year, I grow a lot of different varieties of cherry tomatoes, and we've got several different varieties here. My favorite Berry's Crazy Cherry over here, and then I tried a new one last year called Midnight Pear. This one split a lot, so I don't know if I'll grow that one again, but it was really pretty. We've also got Sun Gold, and Black Cherry is another really good one. And then this one here is the Blue Cream Berries. And then for the next month, this will be August, we've got some Apple Crisp peppers. This was my most productive pepper last year. It's a really sweet variety, a Bacatum, so it gets big and very productive. And then September, this is another harvest from last year that has, again, the yellow zucchini there. And we've got a few different tomatoes and peppers, and also some beans, some green beans hiding back there. And then for October, this was in 2019, I grew glass gem corn, which is probably the prettiest corn you'll ever see. Lots of different colors in that one, great for making popcorn. And then November, we've got goji berries. So I just started growing goji berries a few years ago, and last year was the most productive year, and those are a really healthy superfood. And then lastly, in December, we've got the pink lemonade blueberries. These are a fun variety of blueberry. They taste a little bit different than your regular blueberry, but not quite as productive. So to win, or a chance to win this calendar, all you need to do is comment on this video, and you don't have to be in the live stream, but if you are, that would be great. But I'll pick the winner during the live stream on Wednesday night, so go ahead and comment to enter. Also like the video. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. Good luck. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.